Hello, I guess you're doing fine wherever you're watching this video from. This is Sechamba Jacob. Okay, in today's video, I'll be answering some paper 1 exam questions. So, question 1, we're asked to evaluate 3 to the power negative 3 multiplied by 1 over 4 to the power 0. So what we do here is we copy what we've been given, what we are able to see, and then this one will look like this. This inverse will be on top and everything will be down here together with the power. This time around the power will be positive. Anything to the power 0 is 1. Then when we work out here, we have something like this. And our answer will be 1 over 27. Once we multiply 1 over 27 times 1, this is the answer. We write our answer here. Okay, we go to the next question. Where I've been asked to factorize this one. So we'll say, copy the way it looks. We find what is common here and here. What is it that is found here and here is 2. Let it come out. So it will look like this. Next, we can use what we call difference of 2 squares. So this and this are the same. So we can say 2 open bracket is plus 10 . So this will change into this, what is inside here. So our answer is 2 open x plus 10 close open x minus 10. So this is our answer. The next question, they have said we simplify. So on how to simplify here, we copy. I like copying what has been given. I know you can go direct, but myself I like copying. So you will distribute these two. So here it will look like this. 2 by negative 5x, it will be negative 10x. This negative 3 by y, it will be negative 3y. Negative 3 by negative x, it will be positive. Negative will be positive 3x. You arrange your work. Group the like terms. So it will look like this. Here we can subtract this 3y from 4y. We have y. Here we can subtract this negative 10x plus 3x. The answer will be 7x. So we write our answer here. This is how our answer looks. We go to the next question. We have this over here. So they've said Milika buys 200 shares in a company at 100 kwacha each. So each share was costing 100 kwacha. Sorry, let me write one here. One share costing 100 kwacha. Here we don't know. And then they say the company grows and so do its profits. The demand for shares rises and people are prepared to buy them at 140 kwacha for a share. So each share, they're saying for a share. So each share will change now, will start costing 140. So 200 shares, we don't know. Then each share changes this time around to this. So now they say calculate the profit that Milika made on her shares. So we'll solve here and solve here. We come and subtract. So it will be 1 multiplied by x, it's x. 200 multiplied by 100, it will be 20,000. Okay, even here we do almost the same. This is 140. We do almost the same. So we have 1 by x, it's x, which is equal to 200 multiplied by 140. We have something like 28,000. Okay, so we have 28,000 kwacha here and 20,000. So we'll say 28,000 kwacha minus 20,000, and we'll get 80,000. So the profit is 80,000. We go to the next question. The next question here, they want us to shade this, what they have given us here. It's very important to put numbers. If you've been watching my videos, in one of the videos I mentioned that it's very important when you have something like this, you put numbers or letters. It becomes easier to work with. You see, in all the spaces you put numbers, and then you can find A union C. What is A union C? So you check on your numbers. A union C will be 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So everything that is in A and that which in B, so you put them together, it will look like this. Then you say B for this one, union C. So B is over here, C is here. So B union C will be 2, 3, 5, 6. Okay, we've skipped 4, 4 here. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So these are the values. Now we can find A union C intersect B union C. So what is A? A union C, it's over here. B union C is here. Now what is the intersection of these two? 2 is found here, so write 2, is 3 here? No. 4, yeah, it's there. 5, yes. 6, yes. And 7, yes. So these are the elements which are found in this set. So you go to where the set is. So you start shading 2 here, shade where 2 is, and 5 there, you shade. What else? 4 is there, you can shade. What else? 6 here is there, you can shade, as well as 7 is there, you can shade. So this is the region we're talking about. Go to the next question. The next question here, they are saying 2 cylinders A and B are similar. The heights are 18 centimeters and 12 centimeters respectively. So when they say respectively, it means this is for A and this is for B. And then they say find the volume of cylinder B if A has 621. So we'll find what we call scale factor. So for the bigger cylinder we have 12, and then for the smaller cylinder, sorry, not really the bigger cylinder, let me just say for cylinder B we have 12, for cylinder A we have the height, which is 18. So this can be reduced. 4 can go into 6 can go into this. How many times 2 here? It's 3. So we have 2 over 3. So now since we are dealing with the volume, we'll put power 3 to this scale factor. And then when we say power 3, we have 8 over 27. 8 over 27. So this 8 is for B. So for us to find the volume of B, we'll say 8 over 27 will be equal to the bigger, we don't know for not really the bigger, B, we don't know the volume of B up here because B is moving with this one, and then the volume of of A we know is 621. So we can cross multiply. We have 27 here. 27x is equal to 8 by 621. It would be 4968. You divide by 27, divide by 27, we have x will be equal to 184 centimeter cubed. So this is the value of the volume of B. So B will be equal to 184 centimeter cubed. We go to C. They have given us they have given us this straight line has a gradient. So this is a gradient for the straight line and passes through the point. Okay, so they've given us the gradient and they want us to find the equation of the line. So yeah, for the equation of the line, you use the formula. Let me cut here so that we see what is happening. We use the formula y minus y1 is equal to m open x minus x sub 1 close. So for y1 we write y1 there minus y, you just write it here, minus y sub 1. Y sub 1 will get the y value from these coordinates. So the y value here is what? Is 3. And then m is the gradient, which they have given us in the question. This x will write, but for x sub 1 minus, we write this value of x, which is 0. So we solve. So when we solve, we distribute this, multiply this gradient by everything that is inside the bracket. So I have something like this. This, when we multiply, it will be 0. So just leave it like this. There will be plus 0 here. So I'm not going to write plus 0. And then we can now add 3 to both sides. So you have something like this. Plus 3. This 3 plus 3. So this is the equation. You write y is equal to negative 2 over 3x plus 3. So this is the equation. We go to the next question. Question 7 is over here. So for question 7, they want us to list A complement intersect B. So you do almost the same procedure. You say A complement. What is A complement? Everything that is not in A. This is our A and our B and outside the sets. So something we list what is not in A. So B, comma I, comma J, comma L, comma let me put D here. This will be D, this D. So the J is out here, comma H. So including this complements something that is not in A. So and then we say B. Our B will be A, comma C, comma B, comma I, comma D. Then when we say A complement intersect B, this question, so we see what is in A complement and C complement, something that is common. B, yes, B is there, it's here. I, yes, I is here. How about D? Yes, D is here. That's all. So this is the intersection of these two. This is the intersection. So you can now write here. It will be A intersect A complement intersect B will be equal to B, comma I, comma D. We go to the next question, B7, this one. They are saying given that P is this one and Q is this one, find the value of X and Y for which P is equal to Q. So they are saying P is equal to Q. So it's more like 3X 6, 8, 10 is equal to 12, 6, 8, negative 2y. Then now we just start getting the corresponding values. So what is here is the same as what is here. What is here, same as what is here. What is here, here. What is here, here. So we'll say 3x will be equal to 12. 3x equal to 12. So for x, we divide by 3. So you get the value of x as what? 4. And then what is here is also the same as here. So it will be 10 is equal to negative 2y. You divide by negative 2 by negative 2 so that we remain with y. It will be negative 5. Y is equal to negative 5. So we can put the values here. It's x will be equal to 4, comma, y will be equal to negative 5. We go to the next question. This question 8, they have given us an arithmetic progression and they want us to find the next term. So they have given us this, they want us to find the next term. So since this is AP, you need to find D, what we call common difference. How do you find D? You get the number which is to your right side, you subtract the one to your left side. So it will be negative 7 minus negative 10. Or negative 4 minus negative 7 here. So the answer here and here must be the same. So get this plus 10, it will be positive. So when you solve here, you find that D is equal to 3. Even here, it will just be the same. So when you solve here, you find that D will be equal to what? 3. So our D is equal to 3. Since our D is equal to 3, so now we'll see what is happening. You see, for them to find this one, they subtracted 3 from this 10. To find this one, they subtracted negative 7 from 3 from negative 7. I mean, they added, not subtracting, they were adding. So they added negative 3 to this term, it came to negative 7. They added 3 again, it came to negative 4. So we add 3 to negative 4. We'll get the next term will be what? So the next term will be negative 1. It will be like negative 4 plus 3, which is equal to negative 1. So our next term will be negative 1. And then the same, we find the nth. Let me do this. We find the nth, which is B here. So for us to find the nth, we use the formula for the term, which is like this. This is the formula. If you don't know, go through one of my videos, you may find this formula. I think I've talked about it. So we'll say Tn, or nth term, is equal to A will be the first term, which is negative 10, plus 3 here. N we don't have. We are trying to make a formula. We don't have here. We put like this, but D we have, which is 3. When we solve here, the answer will look like this: 3n minus 13, which is equal to Tn. So our answer here will be Tn is equal to 3n minus 13.